Okay. We'll continue, inshallah, doing other problems. Now, I have this function. I have this question, so I need to graph the function. That will be what? Y equal x cubed. That is y equal x cubed. X equal 1. This is x equal 1. The y-axis. Y equal 0, which is the x-axis. About the line, y equal 2. Maybe I did it before. Okay. This is about the line. X equal. This is 1. This is 2. What is the region? This is my region. This is the region we are talking about. Okay. So I will do my line. That will be my line. That will be my line. Okay. So it is h of x. Everything will be in terms of it. It's parallel to this axis of evolution. This is axis of evolution. Okay. It will be the cubic minus 0. X cubed minus 0. V of x. If this is x, I want this distance, which is 2 minus x. From where to where? From 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. خلاص. So the volume will be 2 pi from 0 to 1 x cubed times 2 minus x dx. That will be 2 pi 0 to 1 to x cubed minus x to the power 4 dx. That will give me 2 pi of what? 2x to the power 4 over 4, which is x to the power 4 over 2, minus x to the power 5 over 5, from 0 to 1. Yeah. 2 pi half minus 1 over 5. That give me what? 2 pi 3 over 10, which is 3 pi over 5. Okay, good. Quickly. That was quick one. Or then about this. Graph the function y equal x and y equal square root of x. This is square root of x. This is y equal x. And about what? This is the degree at 1. I have x equal to. This is my axis. Don't forget the degree at 1. Huh? This is 1, 1. Very clear. No need to do that. Okay. So now I will do the line. This will be line, my line parallel to the axis of evolution. So I have h of x will be what? Square root of x minus x, and b of x will be 2 minus x. If this is x, I want this distance, which is 2 minus x. Now I need to look at from where to where? From 0 to 1. So the volume will be 2 by 0 to 1 square root of x minus x times 2 minus x dx. Yeah, be careful about the calculation. Minus x, that will be x squared minus 2x plus 2 square root of x minus x to the power 3 over 2 dx. Okay, now we'll do the calculation. That will be 2 pi. I have what? X cubed over 3 minus x squared. This is 2 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5 x to the power 5 over 2. All of this from 0 to 1. That gives me 2 pi 1 over 3 minus 1 plus 4 over 3 minus 2 over 5, which is 2 pi is over 15. I have what? Minus 1, that is minus 15. 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3, that's 5 over 3. Yeah, don't rush it. That will be 2 pi, what? 5 over 3 minus 1 minus 2 over 5. Okay, that give me 2 pi, make it over 15 over 3, that is 5, that will be 25 minus 15 over 5, that's 3 minus 6. 25 minus 21, that will be 4 pi, 2 pi, 4 over 15. That will be 8 pi over 15, which is this answer. the region bounded by this is rotated above the line x equal to. It's the same question, but be careful. In this question, he wants just to construct the integral. In this one, he wants to do the calculation. So actually, I need this only, which is very clear, this one, which is D. Yeah. This one. I construct the integral. No need to do the calculation. Okay, this is triangle. Need to graph the triangle. What is this? 1 and 0, 3 and 0, 3 and 3. So this is my triangle revolving about the y-axis. Okay. So it will be my line. That will be my line. Okay. So I need to find this function. That's what I need. I don't need to find one function, which passes through what? Through 1 and 0 and 3 and 3. So it will be the slope. It will be 3 minus 0 over 3 minus 1. That will be 3 over 2. That will be the slope. Yeah. And what will be the equation of the function? Y minus 0 equal 3 over 2 x minus 1. So it means y will be 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2. That will be my function. So h of x will be this, the equation of the line. P of x will be x. Now just do the calculation. And from where to where? From 1 to 3. So the volume will be 2 pi from 1 to 3 x minus 3 over 2 dx. I can take over 2 outside. That will be pi 1 to 3, 3x squared minus 3x dx. That will be pi. What is this? You know what? I can take the 3 also outside. I can take 3 over 2, common factor. That will be 3 pi integral from 1 to 3 x squared minus x minus x. Yeah. Dx. I think that will make it easier. So I have 3 pi x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 from 1 to 3. That gives me 3 pi times what? 3 cubed, 27 over 3, that will be 9, minus 9 over 2, minus 1 over 3, minus half. That gives me 3 pi 9, minus. This is 9 over 2, plus half, will be minus 8 over 2, minus 4, minus 1 over 3. That gives me 3 pi 5 minus 1 over 3. That will be 3 pi 14 over 3, which give me 14 pi, which is this one. Okay. Avoid the line. Rotating y equal ln x, y equal ln of minus x. I need to graph now the region. Okay. I have y equal ln x, y equal ln of minus x. Okay. Y equal minus 1. This is y equal minus 1. And the x-axis, and the x-axis. So I'm talking about this region. Okay. You want to be revolved about the line y equal 1. This is y equal 1. This is my axis of motion. Okay. So if you notice, I have everything in terms of y. So I need to change everything. So I have, this is my line. Okay. And it means I need to write everything in terms of y. In terms of y. In terms of, yeah, in terms of y, not in terms of x. So I have what? This one, take e, I have x equal e to the power y. This is very clear. Now in this one, if I take e, I have e to the power y equal minus x. So you have x equal minus e to the power y. Okay. Now what will be h of x? H of y. It will be this function, which is this, which is e to the power y minus e to the power y. And that will be 2e to the power y. And what is p of y? That is y, and in this distance. It will be 1 minus y. 1 minus. Okay. And from where to where? The y values, this is the region from -1 to 0. From -1 to 0. This is the y values. So v would be 2 by -1 to 0. I have 2e to the power y, 1 minus y dy. To take it out, that will be 4 by -1 to 0, 1 minus y e to the power y dy. Just write it the same way he's writing. Okay. Using the method of identical sheet, the one with solid obtain distance. Okay. So I need to graph the function. Okay. This is a parabola. Opens to the right. And they have the vertex 1 and 2. And it opens to the right. It opens to the right, something like this. And I want it to be revolved about the line x equal to. This is my axis of revolution. Bounded by this? No. Wait a minute. And x equal to. So I need this region. This is my region. Be careful about the graph. Now when x equal 2, yeah. Where is x equal to? If x equal 2, I want to find the points of intersection. 2 equal 1 plus y minus 2 squared. So I have 1 equal y minus 2 squared. So it means y minus 2 equal plus or minus 1. So y equal 2 plus or minus 1. So this is, we will intersect at x equal 3. So it means it will be something like this. This is 3. No. To intersect at x equals 3 and x equal 1. At y equals 3 and y equal 1. Yeah, so this is 1, this is 3. Y, at y, this is y. This is 2. And the rotation is about the x-axis. The rotation is about the x-axis. Okay. So my line is this. This is what will be h of y. It will be 2 minus the function. And that is what? 1 minus y minus 2 also. Okay. What is b of y? It will be y. And from where to where? Y values from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So the volume will be 2 by 1 to 3. This y times 1 minus y minus 2 squared dy, which is just matter of calculation. 1 to 3 I have y minus y times this. What is this? This is y squared minus 4y plus 4 dy. Let me do the calculations. 1 to 3, I have minus y cubed plus 4y squared minus 4y plus 1 minus 3y dy. Okay, that gives me 2y, 2 by times what? Minus y to the power 4 over 4 plus 4 y cubed over 3 minus 3y, that would be 3y squared over 2 from 1 to 3. That's good. Okay, now I have 3 to the power 4, that's 81. That's minus 81 over 4 plus what? 27 over 3, 9 times 4, that will be 36. Minus 27 over 2. Minus, now and apply the 1. Minus 1 over 4. Plus 4 over 3. Minus 3 over 2. Okay. Let's have a space. Okay, that will be 2 by times what? Minus 81 over 4. Minus 1 over 4. That is minus 81 over 4. Plus 1 over 4. That minus 80 over 4. That will be minus 20. Plus 36. 27 with plus 3 over 2. That give me what? Minus 24 over 2. That will be minus 12. Minus 4 over 3. Okay, that will make it easier. So after 36 minus 30, that will be 4. Be 2 by 4 minus 4 over 3. That will be 2 by 12 minus 4. That's 8 over 3. That gives me 16 by over 3, which is this. That's a matter of calculation. Okay. Is rotating about the line x equal to. So I have the region y equal x, y equal x squared. About the line, this is 1, huh? Add about the line x equal to. This is 2. This is my axis of evolution. My line will be this one. So I have h of x will be x minus x squared. A of x, this is x. It will be 2 minus x. So the volume from where to where? From 0 to 1. Very clear, from 0 to 1. So the volume will be 2 by 0 to 1 x minus x squared times 2 minus x. I don't know, maybe I did it before. It's okay. We'll do the calculation. 2 by 0 to 1 minus x cubed plus I have minus x squared minus 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 2x. It's plus x cubed, sorry. That's going to be plus x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x squared plus 2x dx. That's going to be 2 by x to the power 4 over 4 minus x cubed from 0 1. 2 by 1 over 4 minus 1 plus 1. This is 0, خلاص. So I have y equal to. Which is this one. Okay. Y equal e to the power x. No, it's a positive function. Okay. I know how to graph it. Yeah. I have x equal minus 1. This is x equal minus 1. This is x equal 1. And this is my axis of evolution. and the function is somewhere here, but y equal, it's positive, and they have also the x-axis. So the function actually will do something like this. It will reach 1. This is 1. Then it will go. What's important for me, it's positive here. It's above the x-axis. It's always positive. Okay. So you can control it by this x-axis. Okay. So now we'll put the line. Now, yeah. Okay, let me think about it. Okay. Now, if I put it this way, if I do this way, yeah, the function is no, it's not. It should be symmetric. Yeah. It will do the same thing exactly. So it will be symmetric, huh? Okay. Now, if I do the line this way, be careful. Means I need to write this in terms of y and this in terms of y, which is a little bit complicated. So it's better to do it as a disk method, disk or washer method. Yeah, because if I do it perpendicular to the axis of revolution, then things will be easier. Okay. So I have, now this is a washer method. Washer. And I have r of x will be the parabola. Plus 1, huh? It will be this bigger one minus small one, huh? As we did before. So it will be r of x minus 1, which is 1 plus e minus x squared. And small r of x will be 0 minus 1, which is 1. Okay. And the area will be by this square, huh? Minus 1 square. And from where to where? X values? From minus 1 to 1. From minus 1 to 1. So I have the integral by, I have by, huh? From minus 1 to 1, 1 plus e minus x squared minus 1 dx. Open the parentheses. That gives me what? By minus 1 to 1, 1 plus 2 e minus x squared plus e minus x squared all square minus 1 dx. This is cancelled. And I notice this is always, this is even 1. So I can take 2 by from 0 to 1, 2 e minus x squared 2 e minus x squared plus e minus 2x squared dx. What is this? Using the method of cylindrical shell, I need to do this. The form is generated by revolving the line x equal to. I need to rewrite this. This I can take minus common factor plus 1 over 2 half square 1 over 4. It's half square plus 1 over 4. And this is minus x minus half square plus 1 over 4. So I have the vertex half and 1 over 4. That will be my vertex. And it opens to the left and passes through the origin. That will be my parabola. wait a minute. What am I doing? No, it's y. It opens to the. So I have half and 1/4 somewhere here. I will do something like this. Sorry. That will be my problem. This is half, this is 1. Okay. Yeah. And now about what? About the line x equal to. Somewhere I have the line x. This point is 1, huh? So I have it here. And this is x equal to. This is my axis. Okay. So do my line perpendicular to that, which is like this, parallel to this one. So you have h of x would be the parabola, and b of x will be what? 2 minus x. Very clear. And from where to where? From 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So the volume will be 2 by, I have 2 by in this case, 0 to 1, 2 minus x dx. So that will be 2 by, I have what? I think I did it before. X cubed minus 2x squared, no, minus 3x squared plus 2x dx. I think I did it before. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, but I say it in a different way. Yeah, let me continue. Very clear. 1/4 minus 1 plus 1, 0. So that will be pi over 2. About y equal 1. We did that before. Y equal x cubed, y equal 0, x equal 1. X equal 1, y equal 0, about the line x equal 2. And this is about the line y equal 1. Okay, a little bit different, no problem. Okay. So I have what? Y equal x cubed, y equal 0, x equal 1. This is x equal 1. And I want it. This is my axis of evolution. Y equal 1. Okay, so I'm talking about this region. This is my region. Okay, so I draw the line. I want it to be parallel to this, parallel to the axis of revolution. It will be this one. So I have h of y will be what? 1 minus the function, but I want it to be in terms of x. So x equal y to the power 1/3. 1 minus y to the power 1/3. And b of y, if this is y, it will be 1 minus y. B. And from where to where? From 0 to 1. The y values from 0 to 1. So the volume will be 2 by 0 to 1, this function times this function dy. 2 by 0 to 1, y to the power 4/3 minus y to the power 1/3 minus y plus 1 dy. 2 by of what? Now this is just a calculation. Yeah, I add 1. So I have 3/7. Y to the power 7/3. 3/4. Y to the power 4/3. Y square over 2 plus y. And that from 0 to 1. That gives me 2 by calculation now. 3/7 minus 3/4 minus half plus 1. Okay, minus half plus 1, that is half. I'll do this. Easy. Minus 3/4. plus half, that will be minus 1 over 4. Yeah, to save time. That give me what? 2 pi, 12 minus 7, 5 over 28. That give me 5 pi over 40, which is this. Yeah. Need to be used to how to deal with the calculation. Now this function, I need to rewrite it. That will be x equal to find the vertex minus 2. I have y squared minus 3y, 3 over 2 plus 9 over 4. And I add what? Minus 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2, minus 9. So I add plus 9 over 2. Okay. That is just to rewrite this parabola. So it will be minus 2y minus 9 over 2 minus 3 over 2 squared. Okay. Plus 9 over 2. Just to graph the function easily. No, I need to do the graphs. Yeah. So that is what? You have the parabola. This is easy one. Open to the right. This is open to the left. And what is the vertex? 3 over 2 and 9 over 2. I need to do something like this and pass it through the origin. Okay. So what is the region enclosed by that? Very clear. This is the region. We find the region. What is the axis revolution? About the x-axis. That means I need to write the things in terms of y, which is written in terms of y. So it will be h of y. It will be this parabola, which is 6y minus 2y squared minus y squared. So it will be 6y minus 3y squared. That will be h of y. And what is b of y? It will be y. And from where to where? From 0. This value, when they intersect, I need to find when they intersect. I have y squared equals 6y minus 2y squared. So I have 3y squared equals 6y. So I have y squared. I have a 3. Why to do it this way? I have 3y squared minus 6y equals 0. Take 3y common factor. I have y minus 2. So I'm talking about 0 and 2. Okay. So the volume will be 2 by 0 to 2 times 6y times y. 6y can take 3 common factor. 2y. I can take 3y common factor. 2 minus y. dy. Take the 3 out. That will be 6 by y squared 2 minus y dy. What should this? Okay. More problems. This is I need to rewrite the parabola. Minus x squared plus x plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 4, so I need plus. That will be minus x plus half squared plus 1 over 4. Okay, let me grab the function. This is the parabola. Vertex is what? Minus half and 1 over 4. That will be the vertex. And it will do something like this. That will be my parabola. Okay. And they have the axis of evolution is what? X equal 1. That will be my x equal 1. That will be my axis of evolution. Y equals 0, I have the x-axis. So I'm talking about this region. This region. Okay. And I'll draw my line perpendicular to the axis of evolution. That will be this one. So I have h of x will be the parabola. Will be the parabola itself. it will be what? Minus x squared minus x. Okay. And my p of x will be what? 1 minus x. So now we'll do the volume from where to where? That's from where to where? That's the point of it. I have minus x squared minus x equals 0. Take x, minus x plus. Take minus x as the common factor, x plus. So we're talking about minus 1 and 0. So the volume will be 2 by minus 1 to 0. The parabola times 1 minus x dx. That will be 2 by what I have, x cubed. Here I have x squared minus x squared again minus x. Easier. That will be 2 by x to the power 4 over 4 minus x squared over 2 from 0 to minus 1. That will be 2 by 1 over 4 minus half. Is it? No, wait a minute. What am I doing? It's from 0 to minus 1. Yeah. Why change it? This is from minus 1 to 0. Yeah. So this is from minus 1 to 0. So I have 2 by 0 minus 1 over 4 plus half. Yeah, be careful. That will be 2 by minus 1 over 4 plus half. This is minus 1. This will be, it will be 1 over 4. Why am rushing it? Minus 1, that will be 1 over 4 minus half. That will be minus 1 over 4 times minus, that will be 1 over 4. Yeah, so by over 2. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. This one, thinking about the line, this. So it's ready. Let me draw the function. It's parabola open to the right, and the vertex is 1 and 2. And it opens to the right. Yeah, it will not pass through the 0, 0. Yeah, so I have it. I have something like that. Yeah, and the x equal 2. X equal 2. Yeah, let me check when x equal 2. X equal 2. Point of intersection. I need to be sure about the graph. That is 1. So I have y minus 2 equal plus or minus 1. So I have y equal 2 plus 1. So I have y1 and 3. This is 1 and 3. Where they will meet. And the parabola, it will be at 2, but x equal 1. And it will do something like this. And x equal 2 will cross it at this point and at this point. Yeah, this is x equal 2. And I want the revolution about the line. Y equal 4. That will be my revolution at 4. I'm talking about this region. Okay, so I'll do my line parallel to this axis revolution, which is this one. So h of y will be what? 2 minus the function. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 square. This is plus, sorry. And that will be 1 minus 1 minus 2 square. That will be h of y. V of y, if this is y, I have the distance, that will be 4 minus y. And from where to where? From 1 to 3. From 1 to 3, which is the point of intersection. So the volume will be 2 by 1 to 3, this times this. Here you go. which is this. Okay, nice. I think I will do 2, then I will stop. Yeah. This one, a new graph. It's similar to y equal x squared, but a little bit. Yeah, something like this. Y equal 0, the x-axis, and x equal 1. Oh, so let me give it some. Yeah. And x equal 1. Something about this relation. And about it, revolution about the y-axis. Okay. That would be my, really, that would be my line. So what is h of x? Will be x to the power 4. What will be p of x? It will be x from 0 to very clear. So what is the volume? 2 by x to the power 4 dx from 0 to 1. That will be 2x to the power 5 dx from 0 to 1. X to the power 6 over 6. That will be 2 by 1 over 6. That's my over 3. Okay. By the curves. About what? Let's specify about what. There's something missing here, which is about the line y equal 1. So that. Yeah. Oh, the line y. I forgot to put that. Okay, so what is the graph? Y equal x cubed. X-axis, x equal 1. And this is my axis of revolution. This is 1, this is 1. Okay. Y equal 1. Okay, so I'll do my line. Parallel to the axis of revolution, so I'll do it like this. So I need to write everything in terms of y. So this one will give me x equal y to the power 1 over 3. Okay, so h of y would be 1 minus y to the power 1 over 3. And b of y, if this is y, it will be 1 minus y. B of y will be 1 minus y. Yeah. And the volume will be 2 by, from where to where? Y values. From 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. It will be 2 by, from 0 to 1, 1 minus y, 1 minus y 1 over 3 dy. Now let's do the calculation. I have what? 1 minus y 1 over 3 minus y to the power 4 over 3. This should be plus dy. That will be 2 by times what? Y minus y square over 2 minus 3 over 4 y to the power 4 over 3 minus plus 3 over 7 y to the power 7 over 3. From where to where? From 0 to 1. That will be 2 by 1 minus half minus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 7. Okay. That I can make it over 28. That give me 28 minus 14 over 4. That is 7 minus 21 over 7. That is 4 plus 12. Yeah. And that give me what? 7 minus 2. That will be 5. So I have 10 pi over 28, which will give me 5 pi over 40. That will be the answer. So let me stop the recording. I think we did a good number of questions. Yeah. That's one, two. Thank you.